Hi guys, this is the video for explaining how to build the oscilloscope headsink. So this model have 5 parts. So here you can see a second part complete. So you have the headsink and 2 transistors and 2 grids. This is one grid and the first grid is already installed here. So in this way you can paint into different colors. So you can paint in a brass color the heatsink, in the with aluminum color the grid. So this grid must be installed here. No, they are the transistor grid here. So you can see the grid can be installed like this, and the 2 transistors must be installed on those holes. So which the part is too small, you must stay they must stay like this. Okay, I use a very metal color for this heatsink, and the 2 transistors, the bigger one is in black. I think this thing will be a little hard to put in place. I don't have my tweezers here. So it will look like this. This is made to make easy the paint process. You remember, it's easy paint application, so you don't need masking or something, and the colors will be always proper, even if you don't have the right material. So the last instance is to install with one screw into the place. This is the prototype. This is the prototype, this one, and this is the model from Chapways. So this part can be installed into place without problem. I usually use I don't know, the needles. We have one here. So I usually use the needle head here in order to create the screws which are placed here. This is a very important detail. You can see here, you see it makes a too tiny detail, but which works very well, you see. So remember, this prototype Chapways printing. So I hope you will test this new mod, and right there is the green tube mode. So thank you, see you soon.